Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Ayurveda and complementary medicine. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine, emphasizes balance among the body, mind, and environment. Unlike modern Western medicine, which often focuses on symptoms, Ayurveda takes a holistic view, considering diet, lifestyle, and natural remedies. Treatments involve herbs, yoga, and meditation to restore harmony in the body's energies, known as dashas. While some critics argue that scientific evidence is limited, many studies show benefits in managing stress, digestion, and chronic pain. Today, Ayurveda is widely practiced not only in India but across the world, complementing modern healthcare. It demonstrates how traditional knowledge can coexist with evidence-based medicine for better health outcomes. The lecture explained Ayurveda, an Indian medical system focusing on holistic health. It balances body and mind through herbs, yoga, and meditation. Though critics question scientific proof, research supports its benefits for stress and pain. Ayurveda is now practiced globally and complements modern medicine. Neuroplasticity and lifelong learning. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change and adapt by forming new neural connections throughout life. This capacity underpins learning, memory, and recovery from injuries. Engaging in challenging cognitive activities, physical exercise, and social interactions stimulates neuroplasticity, enhancing brain function. Technologies like brain training and mindfulness meditation also support rewiring neural pathways. Embracing lifelong learning leverages neuroplasticity to maintain cognitive vitality and delay age-related decline, highlighting the brain's remarkable adaptability. Neuroplasticity lets the brain form new connections to support learning and recovery. Activities like mental challenges and exercise enhance this process. Lifelong learning keeps the brain healthy and delays decline by harnessing neuroplasticity. Ocean plastic pollution threatens marine life and ecosystems worldwide. Solutions include reducing single-use plastics, improving waste management, and developing biodegradable alternatives. Innovative cleanup efforts, such as ocean drones and floating barriers, aim to remove existing pollution. Public awareness campaigns encourage responsible consumer behaviors, while international agreements promote cooperation. Addressing ocean plastic requires combined efforts from governments, industries, and communities to protect biodiversity and secure sustainable oceans. Ocean plastic harms marine life and needs urgent action. Reducing plastics, improving waste systems, and cleaning oceans with technology are key solutions. Global cooperation and awareness help protect marine ecosystems for the future. Art of calligraphy. Calligraphy, often described as the art of beautiful writing, has been practiced for centuries across cultures. In China, it was more than just writing, it was considered a reflection of one's character and discipline. In Islamic culture, calligraphy flourished because depicting human figures was discouraged, so artists developed stunning scripts to decorate mosques and manuscripts. In Europe, calligraphy reached its height during the Middle Ages with illuminated manuscripts. Today, calligraphy has seen a revival as both a hobby and a design tool in digital media. Beyond its aesthetic value, it fosters patience, mindfulness, and a connection to cultural heritage. The lecture described calligraphy as the art of beautiful writing practiced worldwide. It played spiritual and cultural roles in China, Islamic regions, and Europe. While it decorated manuscripts and mosques, today it has returned as a modern design tool, offering both beauty and mindfulness. The rise of electric vehicles, EVs. Electric vehicles are transforming transportation by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. Advances in battery technology have increased EV range and decreased charging times, making them more practical. Governments incentivize adoption through subsidies and infrastructure development, such as charging stations. EVs contribute to improved air quality in urban areas and support climate goals. Challenges remain, including battery recycling and raw material sourcing, but EVs represent a pivotal shift towards sustainable mobility. Electric vehicles reduce pollution and fossil fuel use. Improved batteries and charging infrastructure make EVs more accessible. Despite challenges like recycling, EVs are key for cleaner, sustainable transportation. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.